Thank you very much. Turanganatui Viwa, village elders, ladies, gentlemen, and dear children. Nisambula Vinaka, and good day to you all. So first of all, thank you for the invite, and thank you for having us here. My team and I are very happy to be with you. This is the first time I've traveled to the Azores, and I hope that my visit will be of any help to you. We understand the challenges of communities living in the islands, lack of electricity, fresh water, etc. But as a government, we are trying to reach every community, every village, to see what their problems are. And I'm very thankful for the community to keep education a priority. The head teacher mentioned that the school was damaged by TC Winston. We had a lot of damages during TC Winston, and your school was one of them. Government spent a total of 220 million rebuilding schools, some of which are still being rebuilt, because that is the priority of the Fiji First government, education of our children. During COVID, I must thank the teachers and the parents for looking after your children. And I was with education when you started with the worksheet. And I had good stories about teachers going out of their ways to make sure that children were educated at home. Okay? Now we are getting slowly out of COVID. Things are slowly normalizing. But remember, the danger is still out there. There are many countries who now are having COVID again. New viruses are coming in. So please keep your community safe. Keep your children safe. We have removed the mask bit. We no longer have to wear a mask. But there are certain things that you as a community can do to keep the virus away. So the purpose of the visit today was to come to you and bring our services to you and hear from you how best we can serve you. I look after the Ministry of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviations. We have programs for women. I am told that there are 2 women's groups registered here, but not much has been done. Please let us know how best we can help you to get back to your whatever you were doing before. And I see, when I look around, I see new buildings. I'm very happy that your island has one of the best buildings that have been rebuilt. And the head teacher mentioned close to 3 million has been invested in the buildings. We believe that buildings are important in educating our children. Please, when the buildings are completed, look after it. The new teachers' quarters would be good for you to attract more teachers to come. So that's a priority too. We have brought with us some stuff that we believe will help you for women and for the school. The generator we are going to give to the school, but it's for the whole community to use. So when you have events in the night, you have more light and electricity. From next week, we have a team coming to whole of Azores to promote our social welfare programs, promote the government services. So I hope that you will take advantage of that and take advantage of our team that is here. The women's team is here, the social welfare team is here. Ask questions if you have some. Seek help that you need from us, and we will tell you straight up what is that we can do. Okay? So in the end, I would just like to say thank you very much for being with us in tough times. Cyclones and whatever problems we have, COVID, 2 years, a long time. 6 months or 7 months for the children to be away from school is a long time. Right? So I commend the efforts of the teachers, and the head teacher especially. Children, thank you very much for your smiles as we came into your village. That's appreciated. Keep smiling, okay? Stay healthy. And I mean, my first impression of your island was it's a very beautiful island. Well kept, you know? And you have a small population. You can even grow your own food. I mean, I've been told that you depend on fish, okay? But fish and vegetables go a long way. A good way to keep you healthy would be to eat your own grown food with fish. I mean, back in Suva, we end up paying big price for fish. You are lucky you are surrounded by the ocean. So for your income and for your food as well. Okay? So I see a group of very dedicated Fijians sitting here. You have a lot to offer to your country. Don't step back. And one of the things you can do is to make sure that all children go to school. That's one of the contributions you can make as parents and grandparents. Teach them values. Teach them good values so that when they grow up, they are good, law-abiding citizens. And to the teachers, please keep up your hard work and sure you'll be rewarded by the Lord Almighty. As we step into Easter weekend, I'd like to wish you all a happy Easter. Stay with your family, have fun with your family, enjoy with your family. Somebody just mentioned to me when I was walking up, there's a problem of domestic violence here. Some men end up beating their wives up. My ministry also looks at that. So if you have any problems, both men and women, if you have problems that you need to be solved, please contact us. We have counselors who will talk to you. But remember, domestic violence is a crime. Right? And Fiji right now in the world is the 5th worst country. Very high rate of domestic violence. And remember, when you fight in your home, when you beat, I don't know how many men, if you beat your wife up or your daughters up, children learn that. So when they grow up, they will think it's okay, my dad used to beat my mom, so I can beat my wife. That's one thing we want to cut down, okay? So every problem can be solved. Please do not inflict domestic violence. It's against the law. If couples you need help, if men cannot control their anger or something like that, let us know. We will send counseling services for you, okay? So 1325 is for children to report any issue you have. And what's the other one? 1560 for all the women. Pick up your phone. Call us, 1560. We'll come to your assistance, okay? We don't want domestic violence in our community. A very small society you have. Live happily. Control your anger. When you get angry, if the wife doesn't cook food, you get angry, put it to something. Go get a fork and dig a garden. Something like that, okay? Divert your energy elsewhere. No fighting, right? So I'm sure there are a lot of senior citizens here. And your role, you are very wise. Your role is to keep the community safe and united. And everybody will be happy. So this Easter, let us all celebrate Easter and pray that we will be positive, good things will come our way, and our country will once again bounce back to what we had before COVID. Okay? So thank you very much, and God bless you.